Hi guys, this is Mukul here. Welcome to my channel. So today in this episode I'll be showing you how to quickly change your rear view finder's image. Alright, so you go to settings, then you check out the special features here. Go to rear display and you can choose to either shut off the use rear display option or you can keep it on. Double tap to wake. Okay, so this is where you can actually change it, right? So you can see this is how the display will look like. So you have multiple options here. You have a clock where you can change the color. You can see right at the top the color is changing, right? You have multiple options here. You have an option of changing it to signature. You can add text to it. You can edit it, and you can keep it the same way as it is by default. You can change the colors, like you can see. You can modify the size and the way it is actually enabled. You can modify the text size here. You can give this font weight is nothing but the boldness of the font, and you can also add and subtract the character spacing and the line spacing, all of those things that you can figure your hands on. Yeah, you also have an option of adding an image. You can add a background image from your gallery out here by the plus symbol, or this is what it will look like. There's a lot of preset templates here which you can also use. All right, yeah, so I'll keep it this way. If you turn off the date and time option, you can see this changes here, the battery option here, and the notifications will also keep coming here. So this is a pretty good feature on the Mi 11 Ultra 5G. So hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day ahead.